In the vast garden of words, there's a particular plant called cleanse. It's like that tedious task of cleaning out your closet full of old clothes, but in reality, it's much deeper than simple cleaning. Let's dive into what cleanse truly means. Imagine having a melon in front of you. It's all covered by a thick, rough peel. Cleanse the melon doesn't just mean removing the peel, but also freeing it from anything that's useless or harmful, like seeds or the inedible parts. It's like revealing the best and purest part of something. The word cleanse has ancient roots intertwined with concepts of order and cleanliness. Take a closer look. The term cleanse doesn't just refer to a physical world, but also to order, a functioning system. It's like when your room is tidy, everything has its place and everything works perfectly. That's exactly what cleanse does. It doesn't just remove surface dirt, but creates order, like cutting away weeds choking your garden. And it's not just about physical cleaning. Cleanse can also be a deep action that purifies the soul. It's like acknowledging your mistakes and trying to correct them. It's a bit like organizing your thoughts and feelings. So when you hear the word cleanse, think beyond simple cleaning. It's an act that goes to the heart of things, removing anything excessive or harmful, restoring order and purity. It's like giving new life to something or someone, bringing out the best of what's there. The next time you hear about cleanse, think of your favorite melon or your messy room. Remember that it's much more than surface cleaning. It's an action that transforms, purifies, and brings order to chaos. And who knows, it might inspire you to do a bit of cleanse in your life, letting go of what no longer serves you and making space for something new and better.